hi on Facebook. Hi, Facebook! Does anyone see me? Do you see me? Do you see me?
That hi, no one sees.
But why is Facebook behaving like this? There are like no comments here. I can't see any comments on Facebook.
No one's written anything.
No. It can't be. Like, I can't see a single comment. Okay. Nobody was sending me comments. Nobody was sending me. Okay, guys. Hi, I'm Sheila Bajaj. I'm a numerologist. I'm not a comedian. And I'm eating Gadbad ice cream. Just because our Facebook live just froze. And we're doing tarot card readings here. And Shian has eaten all the nuts from the Gadbad ice cream. He's horrible.
You want me to put it?
Yeah, there are lots of comments. Okay, guys. So, let's share this video so more people can jump in. I was going to teach you a ritual that you can do. And I said it 3-4 times. But no one heard. Okay, we're back on Facebook actually, Ekta. All of you guys, I'm back on Facebook. Can you see me now? 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 That was so faltu. What was that? He came in and did like that. Okay. So guys, everyone's on Facebook. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Okay, so share this video on all your groups so that other people can jump in. We were talking about 5th of July being a jackpot day because the lunar eclipse. That was Shian, meri beti, meri gudiya. 5th of July being a very, very important day. There is, on lunar eclipse days, on eclipse days, basically there's an energy portal that opens. And it's contrary to the Hindu belief or the Indian belief. It's actually a very good day to get readings done, healing done, manifestation work. So we at the Temple of Miracles, as a Yoruba temple and the first Yoruba temple in India, we will be doing a special candle service on that day. It is so good to do a candle service on that day. So I'm going to urge everyone to do black candle service on that day because the moon goes through the full new and full moon cycle again. Okay? And now Insta just goes bust. Insta just went bust just like that. I don't know what this is, guys. Hi guys on Insta, are you there? Koi hai? One person, 2 people, 3 people. Okay, hi! Mercury retrograde is driving me nuts. My hair is going to turn orange today. I'm going crazy with this stupid Mercury retrograde. I'm waiting for it to end. God, first Facebook freezes on me, then Instagram freezes on me. And then my ice cream disappeared. Shian just took my ice cream and went away. Okay guys, so we were talking about 5th of July, okay? 5th of July is a very, very awesome day, okay? It is a jackpot day. It is a day when you want to do manifestation. It is also a day for banishing all the crap that you don't want because the moon goes from full to new to full moon again. An eclipse is basically symbolic of a full moon cycle, okay? It's full and then the eclipse covers it, so it goes into a new moon state and again full moon. So it's a very, very good day for manifestation. And it's a very good day for banishing. So at the Temple of Miracles, we have a special candle service. Please take part in the black candle service and banish all of the things you don't want. From Nazar, to black magic, to obstacles, to Saturn, to karma. It is the most fabulous day also to get rid of negative karma. Okay? If you have malefic effects of Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, there's special candles for each one of them. So you can do that. How do you know if you need to banish Rahu, Ketu, Shani? If you're a number 4, if you're a number 7, if you're a number 8, or you're going through, so if you're a number 4, then you do a negate Rahu black candle. If you're a number 7, you're going to do negate Ketu black candle. If you're a number 8, negate Saturn black candle. If you're going through a Shani Dasha, Shani Mahadasha, you will say negate Saturn Mahadasha or effects of Saturn. That's what we do. If you're going through Sade Sati, okay, 7.5 years of Saturn, that is really, really, really bad. So if you're going through that, then you say negate effects of Saturn. All right. Siddharth says, I'm not well. Please go to doctors. I am absolutely fine, Siddharth. Thank you. I don't think you should be wasting your time on my live video because पागलपन का कोई ना, ऐसे वाले पागलपन का कोई इलाज नहीं होता. हम लोग ऐसे ही पैदा हुए हैं और हमारा इलाज नहीं होता. शायद हम आपको पागल कर देंगे. तो आप हमारे लाइव वीडियो से निकल जाइए, नहीं तो आप पागल हो जाएंगे. फिर आपको डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत होगी. और ऐसे के लिए डॉक्टर है या नहीं, मैं बचपन से ही ऐसे हूँ. You have a right to speak. Oh my God, Siddharth, you have a right to speak, but not on my live video, darling. Not here. You can go and speak wherever you want. You can take a mic, or you can go on live video, and you can see how many people come and listen to you. Siddharth, तो आप यहाँ क्यों हो? She is just awesome. I'm just having fun listening to these guys. I was saying something so important and I forgot.
What's he saying?
He says I need to go to the doctor.
Earlier?
Don't speak anything here and don't distract us. He tells me that I'm
Oh, Janaki.
Janaki is here. Thank you, Neelima. मुझे बहुत हंसी आ रही है. Okay. So guys, how do you know what candle to light at the Temple of Miracles? Like I explained, if you're born on a number 4 date or your life path is a number 4, then you do a negate Rahu candle. Okay? If you're a number 7, then you do negate Ketu candle. So we will remove the negative effects of Ketu. If you're a number 8, then you do negate Saturn candle. If you're also going through Sade Sati or Mahadasha of Saturn or Antardasha of Saturn or Antardasha of Rahu, whichever planet ka Antardasha you're going through, then you're going to go through that wala phase. Okay? Now, if you don't know at least what your dasha is, contact Janki, she will tell you. Okay? Contact Janki and get a reading from her. She will figure it out for you and tell you what it is. Okay? And she will tell you what candle service to do. So you'll have to go to tarot.sheila.com and Janki will do a session for you and tell you what dasha you're going through, what planetary phase you're going through, and she will tell you what candle service to do lifelong. She will advise you on that. Okay? But you need to go to tarot.sheila.com. The next thing is you also have a candle for negating negative karma. Okay? Karma is a consequence of us choosing to take life lessons in this lifetime. Karma is not something that happens to us. Karma is also a conscious choice of what we choose to go through. It's like I signed up for this. A lot of people have been asking me this. I'm going to do a podcast on it, I promise, okay? And negating negative karma is all of the difficulty that you've signed up to go through. You're going to negate that effect.
Soon our podcast will be available on Spotify.
And soon, Shian is promising our podcast is going to be available on क्या था? Spotify. Okay, I'm very excited because Shian said he's going to do it for me. Like suddenly मेरा दिल garden हो गया. Okay, so if you want to know whether you're going through a Rahu phase, Shani phase, Saturn phase, Ketu phase, whatever, don't drop that on my book. Please go to tarot.sheila.com, ping Janki, and she will tell you what phase you are going through and what you need to do. Okay? So, and if you're going through a lot of difficulty in your life, if you're just going through a roller coaster, like you feel you had a lot of bad karma, please do a negate negative karma wala candle. Very, very good to do that on the July 5th day. Okay? Please do that. Very, very important. Okay, all these people, Faisal, Naeem, who says I have a mental disorder. I would not appreciate you demean people who have mental disorders, okay? I am crazy and I am willing to be myself, and I don't care about what people say because I am just like healing mudra bhaad mein jao. If you didn't see the finger, it's so that Facebook doesn't ban my video. And I don't really care what you think, but I am willing to be me in spite of what people think. I have purple hair, so that should say that I don't care about what you think. But Faisal, I would not appreciate you demeaning people who do have a mental disorder, okay? So you, Mr. Faisal, are not welcome on my live video. So is Siddharth, okay? Not welcome here. If you think I'm fake, please exit my live video. You are not welcome here. I am not asking for your comments. Please understand, I'm not sitting here कि अरे सिद्धार्थ मुझे endorse करेंगे. मुझे आपके endorsement की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So आप मेरे live video से निकल सकते हैं, ठीक है? Before I do your बेइज्जती and I actually send you out. So who's that guy? Yeah. Faisal is still asking me a question. Get lost, stupid people. I mean, I don't like it when people, come on to my live stream. This is my live stream, guys. I make the rules here. Okay? You are overreacting. Seriously. I mean, people, demeaning people who have mental disorders, that's just mean. That's simple mean, okay? Like, I am crazy and I don't care if you call me crazy. But demeaning someone who has a mental disorder is not okay. Okay, I have a zero tolerance policy for unkindness. I mean, मैंने इन लोगों का कुछ भी नहीं बिगाड़ा. So anyway, so guys, where were we? Black candle, okay? So 5th of July, please don't miss it. And like I told you about the bay leaf ritual, not bay leaf ritual, the intensive BLR that we do, the group intensive BLR, okay, you can participate in that. Samir says it's such a shame that people make fun of mental disorders, such low to utter disgrace. Absolutely, Samir. I agree with you. You know, people are just mean, just simple mean assholes. Assholes. Yes. Donald Duck bola. Yes. Woo-hoo-hoo! Don't say like that on this one. No, you can't say all that on Facebook and Insta. Oof. मैं उसकी मम्मी हूँ. Okay. Should we do or burn for Rahu or Saturn? Okay. Black candle. So we're gonna have the cognitive form. Please go ahead and look at that, and then you'll come to know what to do. It's a black candle, darling. Black candle, black candle, black candle. Rahu Ketu, black candle. Okay. If you're mental, we are mental because we're your students. So sweet. Kiss for you. Okay. So coming back to this topic, first only I have some attention issue. Uske baad people like this come on my live stream and distract me. Okay guys, so Debbie says we heard him. Oh god, बहुत बदमाश है वो. Okay, so Instagram is so fatak se fur, unlike Facebook which has 33-second delay. Yes, so true. So true. So in the Temple of Miracles on 5th of July or any day, very good, on important days at least, especially this eclipse day, do whatever black candle you can, because an eclipse day is like your Christmas for getting rid of bad stuff. Please remember this, okay? Please remember. You need to get rid of all the crap in your life, whether it is obstacles, whether it is nazar, whether it's psychic attack. Every time I talk about this, the power goes. This is just crazy, guys. जब दिल ही टूट गया, हम जी कर क्या करेंगे? This power is so horrible. मुझे रोना आ रहा है. I want to cry, guys.
Send me a video.
This is just crazy. This has never happened. Like, never happened. What? No, it's okay. There are still people waiting. मैं ना इतना बोल बोल के मैं थक गई हूँ. मैंने इतनी दफ़ा रिपीट किया है ये. इतनी दफ़ा I've repeated. Yes, black candle everywhere. Black candle for Rahu, black candle for Saturn, black candle for Ketu to negate the negative effects of Rahu, Ketu, Saturn. Okay? And Mercury retrograde की तो बैंड बजानी चाहिए. बैंड बजानी चाहिए. This is stuck, yeah. Facebook is stuck. Can you believe? Facebook is stuck again. Facebook. Nobody can see. It says pause due to poor connection. Okay. What to do? Just end it. End it. Should I end the video? Shall I go? 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 Shall I end it? End. 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 This is so annoying. कोई है? कोई है? अरे सुनते हो? यहाँ पे कोई है? या मैं अपने आप के साथ बात कर रही हूँ? What do I do? Fatak said went to 100 people. 100 people. 99 people. Okay guys, I think this live stream is just crazy jinx today. Mercury retrograde is driving me crazy. मैं ना उसका murder करने वाली हूँ. Mercury retrograde मुझे मिले. Yes, I hate it too. Xian in Pikachu mode today. He's like that every day. Okay guys. Now I'm going to repeat this all over again. Okay. Oh God, I'm going to repeat this all over again. 5th of July, very important day. Do black candle service for if you're a number 8 Saturn, if you're a number 4 Rahu, if you're a number 7 Ketu. Okay, and if you don't know what number you are, please go to tarot.sheila.com, ping Janki, she will tell you what planetary candle to do. Okay. Second thing, take part in a group activity. So group meditation, we're going to do at 9 o'clock. Please take part in that meditation. I might do one meditation earlier in the day as well. Okay. And we're going to do a group intensive bay leaf ritual to banish all the negative things that you want to get rid of. So from obstacles to black magic to all of that, there's a group ritual that Ria does. Please join the 5D link group. You'll get access to all the groups. If you don't know which group to join, please just DM us and you'll get the info. And make sure that you participate in that Dhamaka 5D meditation, 5D healing. 5D, the group 5D healing is going to have a very, very, very special quality to it. Okay. The first thing that it's going to have golden energy. That is the only day in the year, and on actually on Vesak as well. On Buddha Purnima and Guru Purnima. These are the two Purnimas that have the most potent energy, the most, like the yummiest potent energy, because it actually carries energy from the gurus, the holy masters, the angels, the higher beings. So make sure that you participate on that day. Even if you've never participated in a fifth dimensional healing, that day you should participate. 5D healing, the meditation, so don't miss the meditation. Earlier in the day, I might do a meditation and I might just replay that at 9 o'clock. So 303 people have participated, have registered so far. 303 people. Okay, and the last time we had 850 people. So register soon, just to avoid all that rush in the end, the mad rush. Okay, and I would love to have all of y'all on that crazy group. And you know, everyone who's ever participated have seen magical change. I also channel energies from Papa Elegua. So during that 5D energy session, you are going to experience some of his energy as well. All right, because he is my guru, and on that day you will actually be showered with the guru's blessings. Okay, and how many ever people consider me their teacher, they will experience a different quality of energy because they consider me their guru. Okay, so that's the day basically. It's like a special day that you get to you know, soak in all the yummy energies of your guru. You know, that's like your special day as a student, to receive very, very special, yummy, loving energies and golden energies from your guru. So Papa Elegua's energies, the holy masters, my energies, all of this channeled in one. Okay, don't miss that day. You can also actually enroll your business to get healing on that day. Like your business is a separate entity, so you can register for your business to get healing. Some of you can even register your house to get healing, your space. So many people who actually got their house healing said, you know, the fights in my house got resolved, the kitch went, you know, it started becoming so loving, nobody is fighting with each other. So you can do that. All right. People who want to get a tarot card reading, get a tarot card reading on that day. On that day, book the tarot card readers. Book them now, because all of them are going to be busy. Okay, book them now. That day is an awesome day to get a reading. Okay, that day is an awesome day to get healing. That day is an awesome day to participate in candle service. So that day, focus on yourself. And I tell people, invest in yourself. You know, invest on your energy. You deserve it. You are worth $1 million. You need to focus on yourself. Be willing to give yourself and be willing to receive for yourself. Okay, honor yourself. And like Shian said, we're going to have our podcast also on Spotify. He's going to do that. Yes, house healing and business can also be done. People get healing for their pets. People get healing for their family. It's a very special day, guys. So even if someone's sleeping, even if they're in a different time zone, people all across the globe participate. All right. If you have a specific project that you want to manifest, suppose you have a certain business or a certain project and it has a name, a specific house, you know, anything that has a specific entity or a name, okay, you should enroll that in the 5D healing. So Mamta, the one ritual that I'm definitely going to tell people to do is your own ritual. Please do your own bay leaf ritual on that day. Okay, during the lunar eclipse, please do your own bay leaf ritual, your own BLR. Okay, you can do the normal bay leaf ritual that I tell you to do, the one with a bunch of ingredients, which is the banishing ritual. You can do, you can participate in the intensive BLR, which Riya is doing. You can participate in candle service. You can do all of that. Okay. No, Balchandra, you can't use agarbatti. This black candle service is done in our temple of miracles. So we don't use any agarbatti there. We have a deity called Papa Elegua and he doesn't like agarbattis. Okay. So the other thing that you can do on your own is you can do your own bay leaf ritual. Please have a salt bath on that day. After the eclipse is over, you can do a salt bath. Use BMR spray, do a jinx breaking bath if you want. And after the eclipse is over, I want you all to do a manifestation. Get a full bay leaf. Hopefully the power doesn't go off. If it's going off this time, then there's some gadbad. Okay, and I'm going to end the video. Take a full bay leaf. Okay, this is for the 5th time I'm saying it. Write all your wishes on a bay leaf. Actually, write one wish per bay leaf. One wish on one bay leaf. Anoint it with manifestation oil, which you can get on manifestation oil on my store, online store, shop.sheila.com. Buy the manifestation oil, anoint it. It'll last you 6 months. Okay? You just need a few drops. And then burn it with any candle. Burn it with fire. Just burn it. Okay? Don't ask which candle. Don't ask which color candle. Just burn it. Gas पे ऐसे burn करो. जो इसका ashes निकलेगा, ashes लेके जाके balcony में just blow it and ask the universe to manifest it for you. Black candles only in temple. Please do not try this at home. The black candle service is not for doing at home because people do not know how the black candle behaves. Sometimes the energy of the black candle, if you don't use the certain oils that we use, the herbs that we use, the energy bounces back on you. Okay, that's why even bay leaf ritual, you just can't put all this pepper, salt and biryani and make it and not use the bay leaf ritual kit. Okay, you can't do that. The energy bounces back on you. People have had that. People have had body pain after doing bay leaf ritual without the bay leaf ritual kit. ऐसे कैसे? आप bay leaf ritual करोगे, like आप मटन बिरयानी बनाओगे मटन के बिना, या आप फ्राइड राइस बनाओगे राइस के बिना, तो वो क्या रहेगा फिर? कुछ भी नहीं. You are my guru now, Sheila ji. Thank you for being there in my life. I feel God blessed me with you as my guru. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that love and all of that honor. Thank you so much. So guys, please remember, Do not try doing black candle at home. If something goes gadbad and that energy comes back on you, then you'll be like, "Arey, aise ho gaya, aise ho gaya." You're doing all of these rituals so that negativity goes from your life. So any banishing ritual that you're doing, make sure you do it during the eclipse time. Salt bath after the eclipse. And we are already on 4th of July. Then get cinnamon powders or cinnamon oil and put it for that time. In the meantime, you can get manifestation oil from my online store. Keep it for the next full moon. Next full moon, you can do the same thing. Okay? And if you want to do manifestation and you don't have the oil and you want to really do manifestation, guys, we do the candle service in the temple. Temple of Miracles May, we do a blue candle service. You can take part in the blue candle service where we actually do the manifestation for you. We use the herbs, we use the oil, everything. So don't worry, बहुत easy hai. Just, you know, there's a cognitive form. It will be posted on this page. Just go to that and do the blue candle service. And I love the pajamas which Zubin had worn, which you had posted on Insta. It looks so cool. Yeah, we got it as a gift. Poonam had given us those pajamas. Poonam's family owns a brand called PU Kids, and Zubin has been eyeing one pajama which is the owl and the panda, and he's like, I want that one only. So yeah, you know, I've been actually pinging your page trying to figure out the size, but you know, the fabric's awesome. And he says, but puppy, I like that only. So you know, kids love it. Yeah, he looked damn cute and he's very happy. Okay guys, so 5th of July, don't forget to do all of this. That's the day, like I said, you focus on yourself, you focus on your energy. Make sure you do a salt bath. Make sure you do all the manifestation stuff that I taught you. Take part in the candle service in the Temple of Miracles, and take part in the 5D healing. Okay, if you don't have the link to the 5D healing, what you can do, you can go to Insta and you'll find it on my story. You can swipe up and you can find it on my story, or you can DM us on Facebook and you'll get an automated message. But make sure you download Telegram before you click on it, otherwise it will say it's not valid. Okay, I think that's all I have energy for because of Mercury retrograde ne mera dimag kharab kar diya. And does anyone have any other general questions, guys? Neelima says, I ordered pajamas for my daughter from the Instagram page you said, Sheila ji. Thank you, Neelima. That's so sweet. Yeah, I think, you know, people who do stuff like, everyone should endorse each other. Like, that's just contributive. If you like something, you should share the joy. So, network is the worst today, I agree. Kamya, what do you want to know? She says, one card for me. One card for me. What do you want to know? What do you want to know? Okay, I'm going to pick out a card for Mamta, okay? Will I be able to buy my house this year? With a lot of focus, you could, but I would say next year seems more likely. Like your cards are telling me not that you should not try and buy this year, Mamta, okay? So I would suggest that you don't do it this year. Alright guys, that's all I had time for today. And if you want to get a reading done, a tarot card reading, you can go to my website tarot.sheila.com. I have 4 tarot card readers there, my senior team, and I have a team B, which is tarot.sheila.com/team B. Okay, so you can get a reading done from any one of them. They're all brilliant, they're all amazing, they all are absolutely fabulous. But what I'm going to ask you to do is, I'm going to ask you to book for your tarot session. If you've never got one till now, book for the full moon day. Book your slots now, because everyone is going to be super booked on that day. Okay? And it doesn't matter whom you go to. I've got readings from all of them. They do not get to be on my team if they've not read for me. And they have to impress me only, then they get to be on my team. I have to be really happy with their reading, because I can't give my clients, you know, like I can't hand over my precious clients to my readers if I'm not confident of what they do. So go to tarot.sheila.com, okay? Or you can go to tarot.sheila.com/team B and get a healing done that day. But participate, really, I would say that participate in the 5D healing. It's a very, very powerful session. Are you coming again on TV on 5th? पता नहीं, उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया नहीं. जब बुलाएंगे last minute, like last time they called me in the night, so I have no idea. Thank you. Angelina says awesome tarot card readers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Krupa says ma'am is a fabulous guru, healer, orator, creator of amazing life-changing products made and energized by herself. Please follow her. Another thing that I wanted to tell people, at least who are in Bangalore, you know, if you have a crystal angel, okay, I recently put up some crystal angels on my store, on my online store. If you're in Bangalore, you can get it donezoed, okay. The crystal angels, a very good thing to do for the 5th is these crystal angels are cleansed and energized. Each one of them will embody the energy of the specific angels. So on that full moon day, it's a very good idea if you have a cleansed and energized crystal angel to keep it beside you during the 5D healing. Also to keep it beside you, you know, when you're doing the meditation, because you're going to be doing an angel meditation. You know, the energy of that angel will actually be embodied into that crystal angel. During the time when you're very stressed, you can keep the angel on your chakras, you can keep it under your pillow, and a lot of times people have had divine messages from that. Okay, so if you want to learn how to use the angel, I'll teach you. Get yourself the cleansed and energized crystal angel depending on what you need it for. For example, career, then you're going to get a mahogany jasper. You can also get pyrite crystal angel, the pyrite one for money. You can get rose quartz for love. You can get the amethyst for intuition. You can get the opalite one. I have a ton of them on my online store. So get the angel that corresponds to what you need in your life. You can get a tiger's eye one for career growth. So you know the career angels will kind of be embodied. Pyrite for money, that's right. Citrine also for, I don't know if, yeah, we have citrine. Citrine also for money. So you can get the crystal angels and keep them next to you when you're meditating, all right, or keep them in your hand. So the energy of those angels get embodied into the crystal. Rose quartz for ishq vishk. Yes. So that's all, guys. I'm really tired today. I've repeated so much. Yeah, you do get crystals in Dubai, but I just don't know about cleansed and energized. You have to be very careful with crystals, especially with crystals, because see, like other stuff you don't have to worry, but crystals absorb energies, so you have to be really, really careful with what energies are going into it. Okay, guys, that's all I had time for today, and I'm gonna see you again probably tomorrow. I might do a live video tomorrow. We'll do tarot live tomorrow as well. Till then, take care of yourself. A miracle is something that can happen just because you're willing to receive it. Let's be willing to attend the bars class on 26th July. So yes, guys, Samir is saying, you know, attend the bars class. It's a game changer, a life changer. It rewires your brain. It's very different from a Reiki. It's very different from the other stuff that we do. It's sort of like contradictory or like the opposite. But I totally believe that life is a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, you need all this Reiki, you need numerology, you need all of that, you need the angels, you need meditation, you need 5D healing. But then you also need to create your reality. And if you have implanted beliefs of poverty consciousness, that's what you're going to create. So this class really boots it out of you. It boots out the poverty consciousness in you. All right. And if any of you want a taster of the flavor of the class, listen to my podcast. Okay. Aditi Rajput says, what is bars class? Guys, you can join the 5D healing group and you'll get directed to the bars group, and then you can get an insight of what it is. Okay, Aditi. So if you send us a DM on this page, you'll get to know the link for the 5D healing group, and then you can join the bars group. I know, I feel like I'm like my voice is just gone, and I have class tomorrow, guys. I can't ruin my voice for tomorrow, this precious voice. I can't ruin it for tomorrow. I have tarot masterclass tomorrow, and after that I have a Reiki class, and then I might have to come live again. So I have a power pack day. Bye guys, see you. If any of you need that reading, go to tarot.sheila.com. Good night, take care of yourself. See you on the other side.